The 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class represents the pinnacle of luxury and innovation in the world of premium sedans. With a design that blends sophistication and aerodynamic efficiency, the exterior stands out through its flowing lines, bold chrome accents, and a prominent front grille that proudly carries the iconic Mercedes emblem. Digital LED headlamps and sculpted body panels further enhance its elegant road presence, while flush door handles and soft closed doors add to its high-end appeal. Powering the S-Class are refined engine options that include a turbocharged inline-six and a twin-turbocharged V8, both equipped with mild hybrid EQ boost technology for enhanced efficiency and smooth performance. These engines are paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, providing exceptional ride comfort and stability across varying driving conditions. Inside the cabin, the S-Class continues to lead with unmatched craftsmanship and advanced technology. The interior is a blend of high-quality leather, natural wood accents, and customizable ambient lighting. The central OLED touchscreen merges seamlessly with the digital instrument cluster, all controlled by the intuitive MBUX system. Voice recognition, augmented reality navigation, and over-the-air updates make the interface both intelligent and future-ready. Passenger comfort is prioritized at every level. Front and rear seats offer heating, ventilation, massage functions, and personalized adjustments. Rear occupants benefit from executive seating with ample legroom, individual climate zones, and optional entertainment screens integrated into the backrests. Noise insulation and air purification systems ensure a calm and clean environment on every journey. On the safety and driver assistance front, the 2025 S-Class includes the latest in autonomous features. These include adaptive cruise control with stop and go, active lane keeping, automatic emergency braking, evasive steering assist, and a comprehensive surround view camera system. It is engineered not only to respond to hazards but to predict and avoid them whenever possible. The 2025 S-Class reaffirms its status as a global benchmark for what a luxury sedan should be, seamlessly blending opulence, innovation, and intelligence in one refined package. Whether you're behind the wheel or enjoying the ride in the back, the S-Class delivers a premium experience on every level. For more reviews, feature breakdowns, and the latest updates from the automotive world, subscribe now. This is Auto Buzz, your reliable source for all things cars, delivering buzzworthy auto content straight to your screen.